Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. In Indian cooking, many of the home remedies for common ailments are found in our kitchen shelves itself. Over the past few weeks, I have been having this nasty cough and bad throat. And when I was talking to my sister, she reminded me of this Vetalai Rasam. Vetalai refers to this betel leaf. Betel leaves are considered very auspicious. We definitely have it when we have any pujas. We give it to ladies who come home, and it has got many medicinal properties too. So today we will make a rasam using this Vetalai. Simple and easy to make, very good for throat problems and good for people of all ages. And apart from that, we will make a simple beetroot fry and rice for lunch. First we will dry roast some ingredients and make it into a powder for the rasam. I have 3 teaspoons of Tuvar Dal, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds or dhania, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper and 1 teaspoon of Jeera or cumin seeds. I have about half a teaspoon of Omum, that is carom seeds or Ajwain. If you have the leaf, you can use that also. Today I don't have the leaf, so I am just using the seeds. Now dry roast all these well till the dal is well roasted. Now when roasted, take it out on a plate and just allow it to cool. When cool, we can make it into a powder. The betel leaves, also known as Paan in Hindi, you take these light green tender leaves. The dark green or the thick leaves might be a little bit bitter, and remove the stalks like this and the tip also. Don't use too many leaves, just 3 or 4 leaves is sufficient for a family of 4 people. See, just I am roughly tearing it and keep it aside. Now we will grind this into a coarse powder. So your lovely aromatic rasam powder full of medicinal goodness is ready. Next, take these betel leaves also in the jar and crush these also. You can add a little water if required. I have not added any water, I have just crushed it as it is. Here I have soaked an amla, that is gooseberry size piece of tamarind, extracted the juice. You can take about 2 cups of tamarind extract. Add salt to it. Add this rasam powder which we have made. Now boil this rasam over a low flame. Remember, this is called an ISouthIndian. I have told you about this particular vessel for making rasam earlier on also. Never keep it empty on the gas. That's why you would have seen I added all the ingredients and then I have switched on the flame. See, the rasam is now frothing up at the sides. Now we will add more water to it to top it up. Finally, add these crushed betel leaves to it and just allow it to come to a boil once again. Don't increase the flame, continue to cook it on sim only, on a low flame, and then allow it to come to a boil, frothing up once again. See, the rasam is once again frothing up and slowly coming to a boil. Once it comes to boil, immediately switch it off. Now I can switch it off. Now carefully remove this. Now for the tempering, add a teaspoon of ghee. Add a few mustard seeds, some cumin seeds or jeera, 1 dry red chilli, and this is Hing or asafoetida. Pour this on top of the rasam. Top it up with a few curry leaves. Your absolutely flavorful Vetalai rasam, which has got a lot of medicinal properties, is done and ready. Now immediately cover it and keep so that the flavors don't go away. Next we will make the beetroot fry. For this I have taken half a kg of beetroots, washed, peeled and chopped. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, Urad Dal, cumin seeds, Channa Dal, 2 dry red chillis, a little bit of Hing, stir fry till the dals are well browned. Add a few curry leaves. Here I have 1 onion chopped. Saute the onions for a few minutes. Next, add in the chopped beetroot. Mix everything well together. Add salt to taste. Now add some water on it, say about half a cup, for the beetroot to cook. Cover it and cook it on a medium flame till done. See, it's about 6 to 7 minutes now. Let's open and check it. The beetroot is really well cooked and it has absorbed all the water. Finally, top it up with some fresh grated coconut on top. So our healthy and tasty beetroot stir fry is ready. So we can serve out our beetroot fry. And for the rasam rice, it's always a good idea to have slightly soft rice so that you can mash the rice well. Add a teaspoon of ghee. Rasam rice should be had piping hot. So mash the rice when it is nice and hot. Add in the rasam as much as you require and mix it well. So lovely steaming hot rasam rice with a little bit of ghee and beetroot curry at the side. It tastes just awesome. And if you don't want to mix it with rice, just have it as a soup. Have a glass of this rasam. It will do wonders for your coughs, colds, and betel leaf and carom seeds, that is Ajwain, are good for your digestion too. So definitely try out this recipe. Share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.